Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram story on your PC without your phone. First of all, what you have to do is open instagram.com on your PC. I'm using Google Chrome browser. So what you have to do is sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, press on the F12 key on your keyboard. You will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is simply select this icon, toggle device toolbar. Select that. Now you have to refresh your page. Now, as you can see, I have an option called Your Story. I will select that option. It will open my file manager. Now I can select any photo from my file manager from my PC. For instance, I will select this photo and I will simply click on Add to Your Story button. And after that, I have successfully added an Instagram story on PC without my phone. Once you're done, you can press F12 once again to go back. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.